Yeah, but I was just gonna see if I could
Do
do
it
it in
cash. What? Wasn't that? Alright, yeah. Magic.
57. Not sure how you say it in French.
Yeah, neither. What?
Will gets his hand stuck in Paris.
Yeah.
Vending machine, no clickbait.
Bro, it's coming. Whoa.
Oh, nearly hit my train, no clickbait.
Yeah. We have to get the violent door opening as well.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Hi, bees everywhere. Yeah, why not?
Live stream from Paris. It's 5:11.
Hold on, we gotta focus, bro. Okay.
5:11 on the 26th of November.
Yeah, still ain't focusing. Whatever. It's a nice Ferris wheel. Women's sweating.
Woodman wanted to go to see Hot Water Lilies at he thought they were at the Louvre, then he thought they were at the Musée d'Orange.
Yeah, whatever.
And now apparently they're at the Musée d'Orange. I still saw some Monet tea and plenty more galleries to go in Europe. So.
Plenty more.
But yeah.
Yeah,
Now we're going for some Mackies.
lovely nighttime.
Now I'm going
scenery.
for a €2 frappe, but then they filled up a quarter of the way.
I need a big fat cork. That's all I need.
You need a what cock?
Big fat cork.
A cock.
Yeah. Look at all these pots. Will was supposed to do it like 2 days ago, but hasn't. Sauce in the microwave. What up, gang? But yeah, Will's getting some cheese and baguettes and ting, just to add a bit of style to the dinner. Better taste, you know. But yeah, elite chefs. Checking out. Check out this fire in the booth.
Look at this. Look at that cheese.
My
oh,
God.
where's the butter? It's underneath there.
What the good food?
No wonder I say the food's the best in France.
Yeah. Only when it's made by us, clearly. Last night in the home of Paris. Look at the size.
What's going on, YouTube?
It's your boy. It's your boy.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
In peace. Oh, there's that Ferris wheel. Like the video before it starts. So you won't want to like it by the end. That's what James Buckley always says.
Remember to use the discount code
Kermit the Frog for 5% off scuff controllers. Oh, sympathy, where have you gone? Founding fathers. Did George Washington build France?
Yeah. He built the Eiffel Tower.
Alright.
With him and 8
Spotlight. Bro, what if it shines right on you?
That's another Will Woodman fact.
Like Lord of the Rings. Have you seen it? When the eye looks upon you?
Yeah, I'm the chosen one.
Yeah. Nah, it means he's so sparkly. Ooh. Wow. Damn, Daniel. Everywhere's just so nice at night. Including you. The hottest view of 2017. Unbelievable, Jeff. We found Ratatouille's restaurant in Paris.
Why aren't there rats?
Cousteau. They are. They're under the hats.
Oh yeah. I didn't see any hats though.
Yeah, because they've shut for the night.
Oh. See them?
Yeah, we found rats. You can't even see, it's so dark. Like, can't even focus.
I want to be friends with them.
Ratatouille's. Everywhere.
Ratatouille.
It's your boy Kermie signing out at the Eiffel Tower last night in Paris. Why does it keep going off like that? Annoying. Damn, that's some sexy ting there. Next stop, Berlin.